Roman Reigns ahead of the table, attacking the Beast.
Roman Reigns not scared at all of the Beast. Punching him right in the face.
And meanwhile, look at the quickness. Suplex City. Brock Lesnar just like that with yet another suplex. And here come the Usos. Jimmy and Jay, part of the bloodline. And the Usos are going to regret this decision.